Time to realize the dream. The world as one family, loving each other, each for the other, together in harmony.
I just want to start with a great gratitude to the Creator, to all of you, my dear family.
I wish there was a way where you could just feel what's happening inside. I feel totally filled with joy to be amongst these friends.
There's no air here. The air is thick because what exists between us, what lies between us is the Creator. And He's here.
Un mundo nuevo construir y así juntos siempre vivir. Una familia, un solo corazón, vamos en conexión.
And today we had an opportunity. More than 1,000 people, they all asked together from the Creator, help me not think of myself.
We are the one. It doesn't matter where you come from. So I want to say, you always in my heart. It's you, brothers.
Thank you so much.
Na 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 na.